Here's a pair of the Soundcore P31i earbuds. I'm going to show you how to factory reset these, okay? So let me just show you really fast. So first thing is you got to take out both the buds out of the case, okay? And I just want to show you that I'm actually connected. You can see the sound cord is connected to my iPhone now. Now how you factory reset these is you can put them in your ear, you can hold them down like this as I'm going to do it. But basically if you touch both of the touch sensor, the Soundcore logo is, if you touch like that you hear beep. Okay, so what we want to do is touch both of them at the same time and hold it and just keep waiting till it turns off or count to 15 seconds. We'll do it together here, okay? So you can see that it says connected right now, and now we're going to do this. Ready, set, touch and hold. 15 seconds, count to 15 seconds. I'm watching until it disconnects there. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now let go, and you can see that it said not connected. Okay, so like 15 seconds, maybe like 16 seconds. Okay, so from here, all you got to do is just put it back in now. Close the lid and just wait till the it turns off. Okay, now it's off. Now the factory reset is complete. Now the thing is, if you wanted to connect back to the same device, it's not gonna you still see the sound cord in my Bluetooth list. It's not gonna work. Okay, so what I have to do is click on the I here, and I have to forget this device. If you're on an Android phone, it'd be unpair it first, and now you can go ahead and connect it back here. Okay, so let me just turn Bluetooth off, turn it back on to rescan, and now these should automatically be back in the pairing mode. You can see the P31i right there. So pretty simple, and we're connected back.